Good morning. What happened about others?
So they are attending some company talks.
Which company?
I guess Epsilon.
Many people.
Yes, sir. Most of them are attending.
Regarding which talk, placement or something else?
Placement talks, sir.
Then they should have informed us, no? If it is that case, we should have stopped the class. Huh?
I don't know, sir.
You should have taken permission from the HOD or class teacher, no? What about third hour, first hour, second hour?
First hour, second hour, everyone attended, but last
Hmm.
hour only two were there, sir. Me and Umehani.
So what about madam took class or what?
Yes, sir. She took
Huh?
class. She took class.
Full 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Sridevi madam, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. I'll take later. Sir. Anyway, record they can view it later also. Right. So, good morning. Today we'll be starting evaluating interface design. So, how to evaluate the interfaces? So, here is last class we have seen. Third chapter is nothing but organizing, designing, managing the designing process. Managing the designing process. Today, how to manage them. So now, how to evaluate the interfaces. Now, combinations are combining. So, for example, if you take customer and the developer, in between project managers, company will be there. How they will be communicating, how they will be interfacing items. So maybe develop when they're developing or after developing, how they will be communicating between one to other. That is what the evaluating interfaces design. So let us see one by one how it will be working. Either starting stage they will be interfacing, or in between how they will be interfacing, after finishing how they will be interfacing, how they will be taking the feedback. All those things we need to discuss. So designers can become so entranced with their creations that they may fail to evaluate them adequately. So sometimes it will happen, designers can become so entranced with their creation that they may fail to evaluate them adequately. So how to do this one? Experimented designers have attained the wisdom and humility to know that extensive testing is necessary. So some of the things we need to determine the evaluation plans include how to evaluate this one. Stage of the design. So stage of the designing is nothing but early, middle, late. So designing process always continuously to be monitored this one. So novelty of the project. So how much worth for that? Novelty of the project. So well defined versus explanatory. So this one should be novelty of the project is nothing but they have to define properly what is the novelty of the project. So number of expected users to interface that one. How many users is required to interface that one. Next one is critical of the interface. So in this one is nothing but, for example, life critical medical systems versus museum exhibit support. So how it will be happening in this one? Critical. So medical systems, how to take that one? Cost of the product and finances allocated for the testing. So cost of the product and finance to be allocated. So whether it is matching or not. So how to accommodate that? So will be whenever they are doing that one, how much cost is required, how many people is required to test that. So next one is experience of the design and evaluation the team. So what is the experience of this one people evaluating of the designing? So always when they are developing they will be keeping some of these senior people in that company or senior designer, so who has executed 2 to 3 projects before. So that one. So what will happen, as soon as complete MCA degree, if you are joining to any organization, if they are assigning one project directly, so it will implementation, it will take a bit difficult. So somebody will be there to guide. So this is what the project. So when we are entering that one, you need to undergo all the process, how to analyze, how to design. So you may be learning here now the system software engineering, how to analyze, design, code, test, all those things. But their cost evaluation also they have to do it. So for example, if they take 6 months to finish that, they have to complete it within the 6 months. So because they will be evaluating how many people is required to complete that and how much amount is required to complete that. All these things they have to take care and they have to implement it. But once we complete, or once you complete one project, then you will get idea what is the industry, how it will works, how they will be calculating, how they will be analyzing, how they will be designing, how they will be taking the feedback, how they will be interfacing. All these things will come to know that, whoever it may be. So once you study, when you are coming into the MCA program, also same thing. Once you undergone first semester, then you will get idea. So the remaining semesters, how to write internals, when they will be conducting, all the details you will be coming, you will be knowing properly. So maybe first time will be having bit difficulties to undergo that. So once you undergone that, then you will not be having any problems. So this one also same thing, industry also same thing. So that is the reason, mixing of all the people. So their senior people, junior people, all these things. So when it is required to communicate or when it is required to interface, that one, other people involved. So as a engineer, they will be assigning some jobs to execute that or some of the functions. This is what here also. So now let us see how it will be interfacing all these things. So still some of the introduction only, still some of the points are there. So here is, you have the usabilities. Evaluators must broaden their methods and be open to non-empirical methods such as the sketchness, consideration of the design, alternatives, and ethnographic studies. So ethnographic studies is nothing but the specific area analysis, specific area. So for example, if they take business development, in that they have the specific area, that people only they will be calling and they will be discussing. So they many projects will be going on. In that, the specific group that is called the ethnographic. These also already we have discussed this also. So this is what the broaden areas we have to think it. So open to non-empirical methods, such as the empirical methods is nothing but the sketchness, consideration of the designs, alternatives, all these things. So how to design that and what is the alternatives of that one. Suppose if you are implementing, you want to implement particular code in that one. Suppose if it is not possible, what is the alternative? That's what the network also we have seen. So you are finding the minimum cost. You will be having the many ways. So when you are finding the minimum cost, assignment, transportation, also we have shown the first answer, second answer, third answer. That means what? One, it is not possible. What is the other alternative for that? So that's what they have to think always. So one way of solving problem is not important. They have to find out all other possibilities of solving the problems also. That is what the consideration of the designing, alternatives, and ethnographic studies is nothing but the same community people. So same area people will be discussing this. That is what the usabilities evaluators. Next is recommendations need to be based on the observations and findings. So recommendations, sometimes they will be every week or once in 15 days. When you are doing the projects, they will be monitoring. Let us assume that once in 15 days. Once in 15 days, whatever we have developed it. So again, they will be saying, and they will be sometimes, if it is required, they will be giving some of the recommendations to whatever they have found it. So drawbacks, if it is there in the development process, so still you can include this, or still you can check these conditions. So something like this, they can say that and they'll be finding that one. That was the second point. Recommendations need to be based observational findings. So whatever they have done it, that is what, this is all interfaces only. So because when they are meeting project manager and the designers, so they will be finding some of the points, whatever they were observed, that they'll be telling you implement this or you do this. That is also called in interfaces only. So everything called the interfaces, communication, either direct or indirect or whatever it may be. So that is called the communications. So next one is the design team needs to be involved with the research on the current system design drawbacks. So they have to, when they're doing the research or when they're doing finding the new things, current trends, current research. So that is what they have to do it. So the current is nothing but they'll be getting the tools. So that is called the updated tools or easy versions they will be getting. They can be able to solve it, because if you're saying the some of the games examples or drawbacks, animations, all these things, so latest versions are easy. Suppose if you, instead of going for the C++ or their implementations, graphics, all these things be difficult. But here, when you're using the advanced tools, so it is easy. Many cases drag, drop, all these things. So now we are doing even many applications. So that is what the second one. Next is tools and techniques are evolving. So they need to find out the tools and techniques are evolving. So the range of evaluation plans might be anywhere from the an ambitious 2 years test with the multiple phases. Then so here is, for example, if they're considering 2 years for that one, so they have to test multiple phases, once in 3 days test, 1 month test, or whatever they're keeping the target. So whenever they're developing that, they want to check it out either weekly, once in 3 days, or once in 15 days, or once in a month, whatever it may be. So based on the duration, some projects may be 6 months, some projects may be 2 years, some projects may be 10 years. They will be taking the time. So based on that, they need to check that one. So the range of cost might be from 20% to project down to 5%. So the range of cost might be, so when you are finishing, maybe 6 months if you keep target. So if you are finishing within 5 months, so how much will be reducing that? Maybe 1 week before, if you're reducing 5 to 10%. So if you are completing early, automatically the project cost will be reduced. Usability testing has become an established and accepted part of the designing process. So how to make the usability testing? So designing process, usability testing. So whenever you are using, so you need to check it out. That's what, when we are doing if else conditions, if else, if else, if else. So all the conditions to be checked. So whatever you have assumed, possibility is that they have written the code and you need to check it out. So that means part by part you will be checking and going. So looks like bigger code. So because one day one code you will be checking and you will be implementing and you will be going ahead. That is what the introduction for the evaluating interfaces design. Evaluating interfaces design is nothing but how to evaluate that. So maybe when they are developing the projects, how they will be evaluating. So briefly we can say they will be monitoring, they will be, whatever they are finding the observations, they will be giving the comment, they will be implementing that. So meanwhile the customers also, they will be implementing. So this is what they will be, we will be implementing, we will be developing that. Still if you are having any modifications, you can see that. So when they are telling, suppose if you take house construction, first we'll give some design. So when it is coming up, when it is constructing the house, again sometimes we'll change the designing model, or architecture also sometimes will design it. So that is the reason they will be involving whoever they want to project. So that is what they have to do it. That is what the introduction. Now let us see what is the expert reviews. So expert reviews, you have the some of the methods here. So let us see that one. So what it will happen. So before discussing the following functions, so while informal demos to colleagues or customers can provide some useful feedbacks, more formal expert reviews have proven to be effective. That's what just now I told you. So whenever they are developing, so they have to show the demos, either taking the feedback or meeting the people, all these things. So when you are developing the projects, for example, 6 semester projects, entire 6 months you are doing outside. So once in 15 days, you are giving the demos or you are updating the project, what you are doing to your respective guides. So what will happen? So they will be telling, so this is not the right direction. If you are going right direction, go ahead. Or if they want to finding, if they're observing some points, they can tell us to tell to you people to incorporate the things. So that is what the feedbacks are meeting the people or whatever it may be. That is what the while informal demos. So formal demos, informal demos. So informal is nothing but whatever we are doing. So finally forming the demo is called the formal demos. So when you are giving the 6 semester project direct, so after completion, entire product you will be giving the demo. Before that, you will be meeting informally. So sometimes you will be coming in between, or sometimes weekly once, or sometimes 15 days once, whatever it may be. There is all these things. To complete that project, you will be meeting your guides, either internal guide or external guide, whatever it may be. So that is what the to do this, all these things you will be taking the feedbacks. Either use the SWOT, provide some useful feedbacks. More formal expert reviews have proven to be effective. So your project to be effective means you have to do all these things. Next one is called, the second one is called expert reviews. Entails 1/2 day to 1 week effort, although the lengthy training period may sometimes be required to explain the task down or operational processes. So here is, that's what I told you. For example, if you take main project, weekly once you are coming to college, you are meeting to your respective grades, maybe probably 1 hour or 2 hours, you will be meeting and you will be completing your task. So here also expert reviews, they will be having uh, 1/2 day to 1 week effort. So 1 week day to 1 week effort, although the length of training period may be sometimes be required to explain the task domains or operational procedures. So they want to tell it operational domains, all these things. So that's what I told you. Every company, one person will be there. They will be telling weekly once whatever you have done it. So whether it is right or wrong, if it is wrong, so you incorporate this. And operational procedure. Suppose if you complete that, next task what to be done. So they will be having the hierarchy. So which one to be complete first, which one to be next, which one to be next. So that is what the second point. Now you have there are the variety of expert reviews methods to choose the forms. So you have the variety forms of expert reviews. So what are all the expert reviews is nothing but you have the heuristic evaluation, guidelines reviews, consistency inspection, cognitive walkthrough, metaphors of human thinking, formal usability inspection. So this is what the things we need to discuss the expert reviews. So first one is called the heuristic evaluation. So this is nothing but the expert reviews, critical reviews. So critical reviews, how they will be evaluating heuristic evaluation. So heuristic evaluation is nothing but determination. So sort designing, such as some of the 8 golden rules. So I'll tell you some of the rules, what it is there in that. So for example, if you are taking colors, images, so how it will be working. So some of the points they have given it. So heuristic evaluation, for example, if you take, so some of the gaming environment, you take gaming environment, what is called the heuristic evaluation. I'll tell you some of the points, what is that called. So first one, provide the consistent responses to user actions. So consistent responses to users actions. So customers, they will be giving consistency, they will be giving the responses. Next is allow users to customize video and audio settings, difficulties and game speed. So when you are developing that, you are allowing some of the users basic versions when they're playing, what all the, whether it is working properly, video, audio, any difficulties are there, or when you are working for that, when you are playing that, whether the speed is right or wrong. So internet suppose if you are giving. So one provider, if you are taking, you will be checking whether the speed, whether it is coming properly or not. So similarly here also, heuristic evaluation is nothing but you need to check all these things. The gaming, suppose if you are taking the example. Next is provide the predictable and responsible behavior for computer controlled unit, computer controlled unit. So that is what the third one. And fourth one is nothing but the what is the views. So users current actions, what are the actions they will be telling and you will be implementing. The fifth one is allow the users to skip non-playable and frequently repeated content. So they have to find out the repeated content, whether it will be working or not. When you are using, keep on using that. Even some of the messages, they will be repeatedly using that, whether it will be working properly or not. You need to check it out. These all come under the heuristical evaluations. Next one is provide the attitude and customizable input mapping. So first, normally what we'll be doing, so we'll give some proper input whether we are getting correct output or not. Once it is there, then you will be giving the huge data whether it will be working properly or not. So that is what the one more point. Another one point is nothing but provide the controls that are easy to manage and have the appropriate level of sensitivity and responsible things. So these were the another one. And the next one is nothing but the provide the users informations on game status. So game status, if you are giving 10 games, 1 or 2 you are releasing, and you will be telling the, so what is the status that. So they have to give always the status. That's what projects, when you are evaluating, so you have to say the always the status. That means what? So duration is 6 months. So once in 15 days, you are once in a week you are meeting. So how much you are completing, whether you can be able to, you should be able to finish within that duration time. If you are not able to do it, you do it fast. All these things they have to maintain that one. So if you have 6 months means you need to complete that one. Otherwise, what will happen? They have to pay extra things for the employees. So all these things it is there. So that is the reason this point. Next is provide the instructions for the training and help. So help, whatever the help is required, so they have to give the, they have to solve that one. When you are developing, helping is they have to do it. So that means what? So instructions, training, that they have to give it. Otherwise, because the freshers, it is difficult to do it all these things. They have to give that training. Suppose you once complete the project, they'll be shifting to another tool. So another tool, when they're shifting, they have to give bit training, how to utilize, what are the advantages, all these things. That is what the training to be given, heuristic evaluation. Next one is called the provide the visual representation to the people, visualization. So whatever you are developing, you are showing the visualizations. So this is what the output I will be getting. So this is what the input to be given, this is what the output. So then only can be, you can evaluate it whether it is right or wrong. So that means what? So heuristic evaluation is nothing but you need to give whatever the mention that runs. So either audio, video, or suppose if it is any difficulties, you have to give the training for that and appropriate users current actions, and whether sometimes you need to allow more users whether it is working or not, whether that audio, video, whether it is properly mapping or not. All these things you need to check it out. That is what the first point. Next is guidelines review. So only the first one is bit elaboration. So next onwards, not difficulties that much. So guidelines reviews. What is called the guidelines reviews? So guidelines are reviews. So briefly, I'll tell you what is called the guidelines reviews is nothing but any organizations, guidelines, rules, regulations, they will be given. For example, a VTU. So they've given MCA program. Once you join 5 years, the maximum duration. Every semester, so you will be having the, these are all the subjects. if you have to write the internal test, external test. If you're adding this, what is the passing marks, what is the first class, what is the second class, what is the distinction, how to get the rank, all these things they'll be having some of the guidelines, rules, regulations, so that to be reviewed. So that to be reviewed. So some of the cases they need to review that. So review, for example, if you take now pandemic came last semester. So offline came, so they used to initially they were told is only offline classes. Now what happened? They've reviewed it. You go for the online because of the health issues, some of the COVID pandemic. So that is what the guidelines reviews. So when to be required to be reviewed. So they have written some of the rules and they have to review that. So if it is working fine, no problem. If it is something goes the different route, so they need to rectify that. So that means what the guidelines reviews also can be done. Even modifications is required, they can be done it. So that is what they will be happening for the guidelines reviews. Next is consistency inspection. Consistency inspection is nothing but, this is already introduction we have discussed. Consistency is nothing but, so weekly once, everything you need to check it out, how it will be working. So when it is interfacing, when how you will be interfacing weekly, that one. So they'll be giving demo, or sometimes they'll be telling orally, whatever it may be, the consistency inspection is required. So for example, if you take hours only, what will happen? Consistency inspection is nothing but HOD will be there to monitor whether all the classes are running. So the principal will be taking care entire college will be running properly or not. So and university also, end of the semester there will be one every academic year they will be coming and they will be monitoring that whether whether we are going according to the norms, rules, regulations, how the teachers are evaluating blue books, external examinations, what is the rules, regulations, all the documents will be verified. So that is what the consistency inspection. Next is cognitive walkthrough. So cognitive walkthrough is nothing but the experts simulates the users walking through the interfaces to carry. So experts, how they will be communicating or how they will be interfacing one to another. So that is what the cognitive walkthrough. Next is metaphors of human thinking. Metaphors of the human thinking. So human thinking is nothing but once the expert conduct an inspection that focused. So here is nothing but what will happen? Human way of thinking. So because once they have assigned the job, this is what the output. You have done it this way. So maybe for example, data type you have given integer. So they want to, when they're seeing that program, they'll be telling, no, 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 don't give integers, you give long integers. Sometimes they'll be giving the bigger numbers. This may not be working for the huge numbers. So that's what the human thinking, one person, one way of thinking. Because I have thought this way and I have implemented this way code. Just an example I told you, integer. So industry also same thing. So once if they given the human thinking, once you develop that one, so the senior people are once they use the customers, if they get it the errors, they will be thinking the different way. You go ahead. That's what I told you. The example also sometimes house also. So once it is coming, when it is coming to the end, so sometimes they will be changing the designing also. So that is what the metaphors of the human thinking. The another one is called the formal usability inspection. Formally usability inspection. So sometimes formally inspections will be doing. So officially will be doing that one. So here department informally will be doing HODs. Sometimes formally principals will be checking other deans. So academic end of the every semesters. So one person, the principal will be nominating and they will be checking all the documents whether it is your teachers has done have done properly or not. So that is what the formal usability inspections. So that means what? So other than your group members, group leader, so formally they will be checking. That means what? To have the modules, you will be interfacing the modules. So officially whether it will be working or not. So that is also one way of thinking. So that is called the heuristic evaluation, guidelines reviews, consistency inspection, cognitive walkthrough, so metaphase of human thinking, formal usability inspection. These were the 6 points we need to discuss. So another one is called the some of the examples for this. What is the above points I told you briefly, how they've explained, you can see still in detail. Expect reviews. Continuation only this. So expect reviews can be scheduled at several points. They'll be scheduling everything several points in the development process. When experts are available and when the design team is ready for the to give the feedback. So here is expect reviews. They'll be scheduling the several points. So once you targets, like we can say the in IT industry's targets, so you have to complete within 15 days this much. So schedule the several phases in the development process. In the development process, they will be giving the schedule. So like we can say the checkpoints. So one points this one, whether it is completed or not. Once it is completed this, whether it will be working properly or not. So that is what the expert reviews can be scheduled at several points in the development process. When the experts are available and when the design team is ready for the feedback. So when they are want to give the feedback for the designing team, so they'll be checking for that one. Next is different experts tend to find the different problems. That's what I told you. So we have undergone many cases in this case. For example, NBA. When we applied the first time, what will happen? We assumed because there is no rules regulations, we have applied it and we have developed it. One expert will come, they will say one thing, again we'll make it, and one more expert will come, one more thing will say, again incorporate that. So that's what different expert people, different opinions they will be giving, again you need to incorporate all those things. That is what the second one. Different expert tends to find the different problems, so they will be because of their experience they know that. So NBA, that's what I told you the example called NBA. So because one college, one expert, they might have asked one questions. So here also, once you invite the different college people, they'll be telling one opinion. So everything to be incorporated, nothing wrong. So we cannot say one. Sometimes we'll tell it. This teacher will say something, that teacher will say something. How to develop all these things. So that is what one expert, one way of telling, one way they have to do it. So different experts tend to find the different problems in an interface. So 3 to 5 expert reviews can be highly productive. So 3 to 5 different expert people, if they evaluate that one, so always it will be the good. That's what NBA also we have done 2 to 3 people that we call the different, because entire college we have done it. So together we have done the department. Two principal we have done it. Different HODs we have done it, and other colleges also we have done it. So once we undergone that, because senior people they may know that how to evaluate the NBA process. So because of that, every time we have to call one expert and we have to incorporate that, and one more expert, one more incorporations. Even the IT also same thing. So always they will be reviewing your project with the different experts, so that whatever they found, any problems or any errors or any suggestions, that to be incorporated, that to be checked, that to be tested according to their expert reviews. That is what the second one. The third one is called the dangers with expert reviews are that the experts may not have an adequate understanding of the task domain or user communities. So these also sometimes will be having. Suppose if they don't have adequate knowledge for that, and if they're coming for that, they will be asking something different. So for us, it will be difficulties. So that is the reason only they have to, who are all having the adequate knowledge for that, they have to do it. So that is what will be happening. If they doesn't know the subject, it will be difficulties. The next one is called even experienced expert reviews have a great difficulties knowing how typical users, especially first time users, will be really behave. So when they are coming with when you are giving the demos for the users, so if they are using the first time, always they will be having the confusion. So even though expert knowledge for all having, they will be giving demo also. Sometimes they will be facing the problems. That's what this point. So the next one is called. So this is more the expert reviews and introduction part. So evaluating interfaces design, when you are evaluating, when you are doing the process, how to design that one. So when you are evaluating, what are the things to be done. So here is like sometime so software engineering concepts will be coming. So here what you have to do is you need to take some of the examples. Based on the examples we have to discuss. So examination also same thing. Headings are most important, and based on the examples we need to discuss. So this is more the stage of designing, novelty of the project, so number of expected users, critically of the interface, cost of product and fitness, experience of the designing and evaluation team. So here also introduction have given it, and expert reviews. These are all the 6 points we need to write it, and we have to take the examples and we have to write it. So here, first one here, heuristic examples is nothing but we have taken the example called game examples. So when you are taking the game examples, how audio, video we have taken, and what is the speed for that, if it is using more users, how it will be working, and how to take the feedback and how to implement that if something goes wrong. There is what we have done the heuristic evaluations, and many points we have discussed, around 8 points we have discussed, and how it will be working that. So we need to provide all these things for that instruction. So based on the instructions whether it will be working or not, all these things to be discussed. So this is what the heuristic and guidelines, how to give the guidelines based on the guidelines whether it will be working or not. So based on the rules regulations. So for example, if 6 people are there, that's what they'll be giving the timings. So 9 to 5 office means 9 to 5 should be working there. So everybody should be available there. So when they want to interface one module to another module, if one says I will be working night, one will be saying the daytime is bit difficult. That's what the common timings, all these things. That's what the guidelines. Any industry or any organization, they will be having the guidelines. For example, if you take our college, 8:30 to 4:30. So 8:30 to 4:30, all the people should be available. So students will be coming and will be learning and will be going based on the timetable. So teachers will be taking the classes for the students. That is what the guidelines reviews. Cognitive workout inspections also will be there. Metaphors of the human thinking, how the people will be thinking. So formally usability inspections. So inspections is most important. So then only we can be able to find out. Somebody should be there to monitor. So that's what I used to tell the examples for the 6th semester project. So they will be allotting one guide for a particular student. So that student will be monitoring. So that teacher will be giving the guidelines to implement, how to, when to give the demo, all these things. Then group discussion, then final examinations. So that is what the expert reviews. So expecting reviews, that is nothing but with expert reviews also how the interfaces will be happening. That's what with respect to management, guide, users and the developers. So all these things, the communications, that is also called interface only here. That is what the user interfaces. So users will be involving from all the levels. That means what, from the developing. For example, if you take house construction, even though if they give for the contract for the particular company, the owner will be visiting. That means he will be seeing the stages, how it will be working. So how they are working, how they are doing, all these things they should monitor it. So that is what the here also expect reviews. Next one is called the usabilities testing and laboratories. So that one we'll see the next class, because today many people are absent. So let us see that one. So now tell me the present numbers. Present numbers you tell me so that I can.
So USM 06.
18 MCA
06.
06. Next, MCA by less than 10. Tell me. Nobody is there. Less than 20. Tell me any MCA 18 batch 06.
So Pradeep,
Apurva.
so
Huh?
Pradeep is there, sir. Pradeep.
Number. Yes. Pradeep number. Yes, connected. He will come at 11:50 because today less than I stopped a bit early. So he will be thinking 1 hour sir will be taking, and he will come at 11:30. Pradeep. Why did you give attendance for Pradeep? Pradeep. Pradeep. He's not there. Just he has
Sir,
connected and he
53.
went up. Huh? Right. What about others?
Sir, USN
Sir,
73.
53. Sir, 53 lateral.
Lateral entry 53. Next.
73, sir.
73. Next.
Sir, lateral, sir.
Huh? Huh? That's all. 73 is there. 58. 58 also is the surplus. Next. That's all. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people only, including me. 6. Right. Umehani, what is your number?
73, sir.
73. I have entered. Siddharth,
Yes,
what
sir.
is your number? What is your number?
Sir, 53, sir. Like 53.
53 entered. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people only, but it's showing 7. Who is one more? 6, 19, 53, 73, 58. That's all.
Sir,
It is
76.
visible. 76. Vidya. Okay.
Okay.
Right. That's all, no? Okay. These were the present numbers. You can see in the message box also. These are all the numbers. Right. Shall we stop the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we'll see it day after tomorrow. So I'm stopping bit early today because of the less strength.